If you're searching for a fun and effective way to help kids and teens learn to play the drums, look no further than the Drums in Color Method and Drum Rudiment book. What makes the Drums in Color system stand out is its use of colored notation to teach timing, rests, and tempo, which helps students understand and memorize drum patterns more easily than traditional music notes. The color-coded system not only simplifies learning but also keeps kids interested and excited about progressing. Check out the Drums in Color tutorials and get started with this amazing system now.